Coffee Project, the newest coffee shop in town.
So what time sila nagsarado?
11 o'clock p.m.
Oh, 11! Yay! And now, let's have a coffee. Thank you so much! What time is it?
The time now is 9:37 p.m.
9:37 and we will be taking our coffee! Dahil, graduate na siya!
And of course, stress na niya.
Stress na rin!
Sa coffee.
Hindi sa coffee. Ako, kailangan ko pa ng energy. I start, galing lang ako sa wedding!
Congrats, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Successful hosting.
Thank you so much. Sa mga gusto magpabook sa akin, 2 years to ako gin-book nila. So, available na ako 2026. Comment down below. What do you have there?
Here's your coffee, caramel latte.
Caramel latte na hot for me, and yours is?
Iced.
Iced. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. So creamy.
Caramel latte. Yes, mga kabangbang, this is Mark, my dearest OJT, 2023. He is writing a message to me. Wow! Pinag-isipan niya talaga yan.
Just a short message naman.
Short message. Kay 1 year na kami wala kakita na. Uy! Grabe, 1 year. Yes, and we are here at Coffee Project. This is in Camellia, sa may Rojas City. Before sang gate nila, no? Grabe ka. Gate nila, no? Ay, social naman tayo yan. They are here at Camellia, Barangay Sibagwan. Uy! Grabe! Uy! Looking forward. To working with you, ma'am. I'm looking forward also. Love, love, heart.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!